Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, XM satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.